To make this luxury fashion poster design in Canva, I will go to the recently used section and click on see all, and here I will use this first element. These are the 4 elements which I will be using. So the first element goes is white circle with shadow. Okay, so first I will use this one. Let's make it slightly small. Okay, and center it. Okay, and after that I will be using this circle frame. Okay, and I will make it to the same size as the circle. Okay, so this is done. So after that I will just move it here and I will duplicate it twice, and I will right click it, go to layer and bring to front. Okay, and just bring it here. Okay, and after that I will duplicate it another time. I will keep it here, and in this frame I will use this picture which says Tower Bridge in London. Okay, and I will use this picture, and after that I will just bring this frame just above, and after that I will go to uploads here, and I will use this model picture, and I will just use the BG remover, and then I will resize the model. So when resizing it, please hold on to control, otherwise if you move it, it will get attached with the frame. So hold on to control and make it size bigger. And keep it like this way. Okay, and after that just mark the ends with ruler. So if you don't have the rulers activated, so just click on shift plus R in the keyboard to activate it, and just paste it in the upper side and the lower side. Okay, so that you can mark the ends, and after that just duplicate it and put one in the frame. Okay, so as it is transparent, so it is visible here, so I will double click it and adjust it. Okay, and I will bring it here, and after that I will bring this one, hold on to control and adjust it. So as you can see, it is adjusted, and after that just crop out the leg part. Okay, and readjust it here. So it is adjusted, and now I will just select all of them by pressing Ctrl plus A in the keyboard and move it slightly down, and after that go to elements here and use this one as the background which says luxurious fabric texture background. So it is a pro content. Okay, if you want you can use any type of free content also. So I will just rotate it to 90 degrees and right click it, set image as background. Okay, but in the end part we need to add the text here, and we will click on add a heading, and here I will write Gucci, and I will bring it just here, change the font to seasons, the seasons here. So you can try with bold one. Okay, and make it bigger, and make it a bit spacious by increasing the letter spacing. And just keep it right here, just above the model, move it slightly up and just center it, move it above, and after that duplicate it, bring it here, make it bigger, and after that decrease the letter spacing here, like this. and make it to the same line, and after that bring it here, decrease the transparency to 30 and right click it, layer, send to back. And to highlight this model part, just go to elements and here write shadow and go to graphics, click on see all, and I will use this one. Just make it slice smaller and keep it right here. Okay, so your design is ready, and this is a luxury brand poster where you can use a model and use a unique idea to present your fashion poster. So all the elements which I mentioned in this recently used tab, you can all find it here. Just search here like circle shadow. Just you can find it this way. Next you can find the London architecture by going to photos, and just you can find this bridge as you can see in here, and also the background which says luxury background. And this is the one. So you can find any type of elements which I mentioned here easily and make your own design. So hope you like this tutorial, and please subscribe to the channel for more amazing tutorials like this. Thank you.